are 5 different types of angles. Acute angles are the sharpest and greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. Right angles are 90 degrees exactly and they look like the corner of a square or rectangle. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angles look like straight lines and always measure 180 degrees. And reflex angles are greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. To measure angles, you can use a tool called a protractor. Line it up so the bottom of the angle runs between the 0 and the center dot. Then look at where the other side of the angle crosses or points to on the scale. This PowerPoint from the Twinkl website will help familiarize learners with the different types of angles. There is also a set of display posters you can use in any classroom or learning environment. They will serve as an ongoing reminder of what the different types of angles are, along with providing a visual example for each one. These angles flashcards could also be useful. They're split into question cards, which challenge learners to name the type of angle pictured, and answer cards, which are illustrated with the names of the angles and helpful diagrams depicting them. These matching cards can also be used as a game. Learners can practice matching up the pictures of the angles with the names of what they are. Games like this, when revisited, can help support children's long-term memory. I'm going to be leaving some helpful links to all of the resources mentioned in this video in the description below, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. Of course, there are plenty more materials for teaching angles on the Twinkl website, so feel free to have a browse around. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.